Okay, part 1, 81 Datsun 280ZX with ignition problems. I'll turn it, I've got another video that I'll post here in a second of the symptoms. I turn it and the sensor key would come on and I would get no start. So of course I started tearing the thing apart, trying to figure out what the hell was going on. I got lucky and jiggled the key a couple of times and got it to catch, so I decided what the heck. I'll just change out the ignition switch itself, and in my case I got lucky. So that was my solution to the problem that I will post here in a second. So if anybody has similar issues, good luck. Hope it's the same thing. It was a pretty easy fix.